choosing to hire a freelance bookkeeper versus a bookkeeping firm. Think of how many hours you're spending each week doing your own bookkeeping. Now multiply that number by what you personally charge out as an hourly rate. With that figure in mind, think about how hiring a bookkeeper could save the expense of you doing your books, and how your time would be better spent growing your business. Now all you need to decide is whether you should hire a bookkeeping firm or a freelance bookkeeper. You need to make sure that whomever you hire to do your bookkeeping understands all of the current rules and regulations and won't make any mistakes while doing them. Let's explore this in today's video. Freelance bookkeepers. A freelance bookkeeper is someone who simply works for themselves, typically out of their homes. This means that they will have lower overhead, so they can offer you a lower hourly or fixed rate. Some freelance bookkeepers are open to commuting and working at your office if you prefer. This can be beneficial in that they can ask you any questions as well as see what your daily activities are. A downside to them coming to your office is that you'll need to provide them with a space, furniture, and possibly even a computer. Especially during the pandemic, this may be difficult. However, this means that nowadays technology must be coordinated for freelancers to learn about the business and learn about the books. With there being no rules governing the education of bookkeepers, you run the risk of finding someone who just bought some software, is self-taught, and posted an ad for you to find them, or you may be more fortunate and find one who is experienced or recently graduated from a bookkeeping program. Freelance bookkeepers may work for more than one business at a time. If they're organized, they'll schedule their time to ensure everyone's deadlines are met and that books are kept up to date. A downside to this is that if they take a vacation or need a sick day, there isn't anyone to take over their work. This means not only are they going to be behind, so are your company's books. They may also get overwhelmed at tax time. This could not only affect your daily bookkeeping, but delay your taxes being filed on time. Simply put, a freelance bookkeeper can save your business a lot of money, but it may lead to some unwanted tax and accounting troubles down the road if you hire the wrong bookkeeper. Bookkeeping firms. A bookkeeping firm hires bookkeepers that are permanently employed by their company. This means that you aren't simply hiring one individual, you're hiring a team. Although the cost for hiring a bookkeeping firm can be more expensive than a freelance bookkeeper, it may be worth it for your business in the long run. One reason for this higher expense is the expertise, is that a bookkeeping firm, they typically employ more experienced individuals and they may be certified professional bookkeepers. Of course, a firm will also have the costs associated with higher overhead, and they may have a guarantee of their services while providing you access to the larger team to get your work completed on time. When it comes to deadlines, a bookkeeping firm will be able to make sure you stay on track and that your GST remittances and taxes, for example, are completed on time. As well, they'll make sure your payroll is done and done properly when you need it to be done. When choosing a firm, you'll find that they typically have a staff with different skill sets, which allows for a broader range of experience and services. This allows you to have access to bookkeepers that can best serve your company. For example, a freelance bookkeeper may not know that different provinces and territories do not have all the same deductions. With a bookkeeping firm such as Valley Business Center, we not only know what your deduction should be, we can provide payroll services as well. Which to choose? As with any business relationship, you'd like to find a bookkeeper that you can work with long term, that you can have a good working relationship with, and that can get to know your business needs. Hiring a bookkeeping firm means that you're hiring professionals to take care of your finances. However, hiring a freelancer means that you're getting the best bang for your buck in most instances. Firms have the skills and training that allow them to handle your reconciling, payroll, as well as taxes with financial reporting accuracy. With rules surrounding taxes and business accountabilities, it is better for someone who stays up to date on this. Freelancers, however, may be specialized in one area or another and can be useful in fulfilling just one specific area. What decision you make for your business will depend on what your needs are. It's important to remember that you, as a business owner, are ultimately responsible for your bookkeeping. You want to take this into consideration when you're hiring a bookkeeper and ensure that they have the expertise that you require to maintain your books accurately. You not only want to maximize the profitability of your business, but you want to avoid unnecessary costs. A freelance bookkeeper may not have the foresight to help manage your finances throughout the year in anticipation of tax time. They may not be able to complete them in a timely fashion, and they may not be aware of current tax laws. This will cause you and your business to have to pay more in penalties. Need help from an expert? Still not sure which is best for your business? Let one of our experts at Valley Business Center help. For over 30 years, Valley Business Center has been providing comprehensive bookkeeping, payroll, and tax services to our clients in Whistler, Squamish, the Sea to Sky Corridor, and Metro Vancouver, BC areas. Valley Business Center provides reliable and effective services to all our clients. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also make sure to subscribe to hear about more helpful information. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.